After the flood comes the cleanup. A lot of you might have questions about what to do if your home or car is flooded, and I'm here with some answers. First, if you abandoned your car, now you have to find out where it got towed. The City of Houston offers a website, findmytowedcar.com. If you left it in any other county, here are a few resources. We have a full list on khou.com. When you do get your car back, do not start it. You can cause even more damage. Try to dry it out as soon as you can, opening up doors and removing anything that's saturated. Also, time to call your insurance provider and let them know what happened so they can assess whether it's totaled. A mechanic will also help with that, so you might want to take it in. Once you get the all clear from insurance, clean that car out. Now for your home. If you have flood insurance, file a claim immediately. Also, go room to room and shoot photos and videos of the damage. Then it's time to remove any items that are damaged. That includes furniture, walls, carpets, basically anything that water touched. If you don't have flood insurance, your first call ought to be to FEMA. It offers low-interest loans through the Small Business Administration to get folks back on their feet. Again, we have all of these details and contact info on khou.com.